Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the Institute Record Management System using Python. So let's open terminal by writing cmd and then run institute record manager.py. Okay, and then enter. So it will open the home page. You can see in the left hand side it will show the teachers, student, courses and fees sections. So let's explore one by one. Let's open the teacher section. You can also add a teacher. You have to enter the name, codes, gender, date of birth, mobile number, city, district, state, nationality, email ID and qualification. So let's enter one by one. Aditya Jain, codes. So first we have to add the codes. Enter the course name, maths, duration, five weeks, teacher Rakesh Gehlot, and fees 5,000, and then click on add button. So it will add the course. You can see it will add that particular course. Now you have to add the teacher. Let's enter the teacher name, Ashish Kumar, course maths, gender male, date of birth 18/1/1990, mobile number. I'm just entering the demo details. City Jaisalmer, district Jaisalmer, state Rajasthan. Okay, after that nationality Hindu, email ID Ashish Kumar @gmail.com. Qualification MTech, and then click on add button. So it will store data in database. And let's clear to reset all the value. Let's go back. You can see it added in the database. User can also search through ID or name. Let's search Raj. So it will show the details like Raj, course English, gender male, date of birth, mobile number, district, city and all those. It will fetch the, like you can also update the detail like qualification B.Ed and then click on update button. So record updated successfully, and let's clear. Go back. Okay, let's change the detail. Like previously I have added the demo details, qualification BTech, and then click on update button. Just go back. So user can perform delete operation also. So we have deleted the Raj. Now go to students. Let's enter the student detail like student name Yash Sony, course maths, gender male, date of birth 06/05/1994, mobile number, city Jodhpur, district Jodhpur, and state Rajasthan. Nationality Hindu. Email ID Yash Sony @gmail.com. So I'm just entering the demo details. Qualification BTech, fees 4,000, and then click on add button. So recorded successfully. If you press clear, then it will reset all those values. User can also filter out the courses. Let's update the name and then click on update button. Okay, just go back. User can also filter out by courses like English, Maths, and if they select all, then it will show all this student. Okay, these are the courses section where it will show the course ID, name, duration, teacher, and fees. So course ID will be the unique. Let's update the course name, duration, and then click on update button. Just go back. These are the fees section. Let's search for the English. User can also update the fees, like someone deposit the fees, so you have to enter in the new deposit, so it will deduct from the total amount, and it will store like in which date user courses their fees. Let's enter the new fees deposit 200 and then click on deposit button. So it will deposit with date and time. Just go back. User can also change the home screen. Okay, let's filter out with the different courses. These are the courses section. These are student section. It will show the complete details about the students. You can also filter out with the courses. These are teacher section, and this will be the home section. User can also change the wallpaper of that home screen. Let's change that particular wallpaper and then click on OK. Again run. So it will change the home screen image. User can change with different images. Okay, let's delete this image. This will be the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And this project developed using Python programming language and Tkinter used to develop the user interface. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.